and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill. I'm here to share the July Flavors of the Month kit from the Scrap Room. So the Flavors of the Month comes with 4 brand new collections, including cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. This is a fabulous way to get new product every month and a good sampling of different collections and different lines from manufacturers. With your collection, you're also going to get a sample of gourmet coffee each month, so you can brew that up and sip on that while you're creating with your kits. You're also going to receive 4 recipe cards. These are double-page layouts designed by the design team, one for each one of the 4 collections. You can also check out the Scrap Room website for more inspiration from the design team. There's a gallery there. You can check out all the layouts created for each month's kit. And then be sure to come on over to the Facebook group and the blog to see what your fellow subscribers are creating with their kits and join in on some fun challenges. So this month I am so excited about. If you look here, you can see there's 4 vastly different collections. Definitely summer. We got a beach and a pool kind of feel. This one you can do so many different things with, as well as a 4th of July themed. But if you look a little closer, you can also see lots of the same colors pick up in some of the other collections. So don't be afraid to mix and match some of the papers and embellishments across the lines. So this month's kit are Illustrated Faith, All People, All Nations. The second collection is Cartabella, Summer Splash. Photoplay paper, red, white, and blue. And from Simple Stories, we have Hello Summer. So let's take a closer look at each one of these collections. First, we're going to look closer at Illustrated Faith, All People, All Nations. This is a gorgeous color scheme with the navy blue and the aqua and touches of pink and even some green in there, and then there's also this orange feel. So this also has a very tropical summer feel to it, so you could definitely do summer photos. You could also do travel because of the globes and the maps in here. It's also got some embellishments and things for Bible journaling or documenting your faith, so we'll look at that too. So this first paper is called Hope, has this painted background and of course the word hope in that gorgeous navy blue with the florals scattered about. The back side is the navy blue and then a lighter blue and almost a purpley blue, little splotches. This one's called My Foundation, and this is just a fun, whimsical little pattern to it. I think that is just gorgeous, and those two look so stunning together. The back side is a geometric kind of an aqua design, or aqua color and white. This one is the borders and the 3x4 cards. So I think that's really great that they split those up, not just all 3x4s, but you get a mix of borders and 3x4s. The back side is this pink paper with quotes and phrases on. So you can see this beautiful color scheme really well on the back side of the papers there. And then you're going to get 2 sheets of Storm cardstock. For the embellishments, there's a couple of tip-ins, and so if you're not familiar with Bible journaling, tip-ins were created to kind of go in the margins of your Bible and put them with washi tape, and you can flip them over and do journaling on the back. So these are great if you don't want to document like faith, this says forgive, or anything like that. You can flip it over, and this one has journaling lines, and this one has a grid design. So you could definitely use the back side of those. Then you're going to get a clear phrase sticker. So this is the one that was in my kit, but it will vary. So this is a clear sticker. If you're working on dark patterns or something where you don't feel like it might show up, you can stick that onto white cardstock and then kind of fussy cut around it, and it will pop up just like a regular die cut on white cardstock. And then you're going to get a 1/6 pack of the ephemera. So these will vary, but I got a little banner and a speech bubble, this little map design. So that would be great if you're bringing it into travel layouts. So that's Illustrated Faith, All People, All Nations. Our next collection is Summer Splash from Cartabella. This one definitely screams summer. This bright kind of blue reminds you of the water, the pools, the beaches, and the pinks. And then this first sheet here is sand with all kinds of sandals and flip-flops and the little fins and sand dollars. Goes over there. The back side is a blue kind of water print. It has that little net kind of grid design in it. This one's called Toes in the Sand. Our next paper are these flamingos and the beach balls, and the back side is palm trees on a blue and aqua background. This one has all kinds of fun little cut-aparts that you could use for titles, up to this really big one here. Love all the fun phrases on there. And the back side is a striped, multicolored stripe. This one's called Scene Journaling Cards, so you can never have enough stripes in your collections. So you can see that you could pull in the back sides and do just about anything with that collection. Cardstock is 2 sheets of white, and your embellishments are 1/3 a pack of the ephemera, so these will vary among the kits, but you can see there's some frames, and these centers punch out of those, some tags, and then just some banners and little small icons, as well as 1/6 a pack of enamel dots, and these will vary as well, but I got a blue and a pink that matches really well. So you will be all set to scrapbook your summer beach and pool photos with Summer Splash from Cartabella. Next we have Red, White, and Blue from Photoplay. And I don't know about you, but this is simply gorgeous, and it makes me want the 4th of July to get here so that I could take some photos and really take full advantage of all of the Independence Day icons that are on the sticker sheet here. So let's take a closer look here. We have this one called Home of the Brave, which is this gorgeous floral print, the red and white roses with blue leaves on a text background. I love that paper. The back side is this awesome stripe in the red and blue, and the off-white has that same kind of text print back there. This one called Freedom, which is a plaid, and then a small floral print on the back in the red and the blue. So see, you could definitely use this for other than 4th of July, but oh my gosh. This one's called Land of the Free, has the stars. Again, that text background is on every one of these in the cream colored background. That's that navy blue. And the back side are the fireworks. So one more look at this collection. For your cardstock, you're going to get 2 sheets of buttercream cardstock, and the embellishments is the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So you have this awesome flag banner, word labels, some stamps, larger icons and the stars, and of course some words that you could use for titles. Another banner up here that's just slightly different on the flags. So that is Photoplay Red, White, and Blue. Ready to document your Independence Day activities and so much more. The final collection is from Simple Stories called Hello Summer. It's another beautiful, fun, light, airy summer color scheme going on here. The first paper is Best Day Ever, with all of the circles and the different prints and colors on a white background. The back is this peachy red with summer sayings on it. This stripe is called Life is Good, and the back has speech bubbles and a black polka dot. Oh Happy Day is this beautiful floral, and the background is this blue-green with the white squiggly lines. So one more look at the patterned paper. Then 2 sheets of white cardstock, and your embellishments are 1/3 a sheet of the 3x4 cut apart, so these will vary. So you could use this side, fussy cut these for embellishments, use it as a 3x4, or flip it over and use the back, which is a cloud pattern. You'll also receive 1/2 a pack of the ephemera, so they will vary among your kits, but this is what was in mine, so you can kind of see there are some words you could use for titles and subtitles, summer icons from fruit, florals and the sunshine. So another beautiful collection. One more look at your flavors of the month for July 2018. Be sure to check out the challenges going on over on the Facebook group. And if you haven't already subscribed to the YouTube channel, be sure to click that coffee cup to subscribe and you'll be notified when new videos are revealed. And check out some of the other kits available from the Scrap Room. There are 3 add-on kits to go along with your flavors of the month that you are for sure want to check out. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.